Alrighty guys, so today we are doing hopefully one of the most satisfying things I've done in a while. If you saw any of my other videos, you'll have noticed that like my lighter cushions in the camper have gotten a lot of spots just between being fixed and like I think the slide outs and everything, they've just gotten really dirty. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, you can see Jordan here, sorry it's a little blown out in the background, but we're gonna take this cool Bissell, I'll show it to you guys in a second, and hopefully we can get a lot of these dirt spots, and I'll show you the dirt spots on it too. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take a little OxyClean as well, spray them down, hopefully that'll help a little bit to get some of these darker spots out. So let me show you guys what we're working with. So here is the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. We borrowed this from my brother and his girlfriend because we didn't wanna go buy an $80 one. So Jordan has this really big attachment for it right now. Yep. And then if you take a look at our cushions, see how some of these have got, looks like they've gotten stuck in places. Yeah, so they kind of just need a good clean anyway in the first place, because they do sit in here like, they're in the camper all year. So our two larger cushions couldn't fit in the truck, so we're starting with these. Now once we get the camper back from being winterized, we're gonna do the other two. So we're gonna give it a shot.
Yep.
Hopefully it works.
We'll see.
Like I said, we're gonna start with this OxyClean spray. It's just to let it set for like 5 minutes to up to a week. We're not gonna do a week. We might do 5 to 10 minutes and hopefully it'll work. That was the really long, dirty line right here, and it came right out. You can still see like a faintness of it, but for the most part it's gone. And this was the bad one that was on the armrest. That is now basically gone too. It's not completely, but it's much better than what it was. So they're all done. These ones didn't really have any bad spots on them, but they had a couple just like little ones, so I just did those. I didn't do the whole thing because this fabric is, I feel like it would fall apart a lot easier. You can see that one there. This one's a little wetter. I just got done with that one, but it's looking pretty good. I had a bigger spot in the front here, but I'm thinking I can probably hide that one and put it in the back of the table. So that one's still drying. I might switch those out over there. So this one sits in the sun for a little while. Here's all the dirty water we got from the cushion. So it's almost full. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.